Hey guys, so recently I did the traction control off mod to my 2003 Toyota 4Runner V8 four-wheel drive. And in an upcoming video I'll be showing how to do it. There are already threads on the forum explaining how. However, I think a video is going to be a lot more helpful, especially when I show you every detail of the process. But for today, I'm just going to be showing you how it works. I just tested it myself and it works great. Couldn't be happier. So as you can see right now, all the lights on the dash are normal. We are in high range. Obviously center diff lock isn't on because otherwise we'd have the lights on the dash. My traction control mod is off, and we can see what happens when we turn it on. We get the traction control light and the center diff light. That's because this mod basically tricks the truck into thinking the center diff is locked. So we turn it back off, we get our traction back. So I'm going to prove to you that traction is currently working by trying to peel out here real quick. And as you can see, we were successful, but you can hear the beeping. That's the traction control taking over. We got a bit of wheel spin before the truck freaked out and decided it didn't like that very much. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and flip the switch, get our traction control off, and try that again. You'll notice no beeping and a lot more sliding. Yeah, that wasn't even as much effort as I put in last time, and I got a lot more slide. So now the next thing to check is going to be, is the center diff really not locked, or did I just do a mod that locks the center diff a different way? Well, let's prove that. Center diff is unlocked physically. I haven't touched the factory button. However, I do have the traction control off. So let's turn the wheel all the way. I know my loose surface you can't tell as well, and we'll just very slowly go in a circle. You won't be able to hear as much as I can feel it. But the center diff is open and the vehicle is turning as normal. Now, straighten the wheel back out. Traction control off, or back on. Go ahead and lock that center diff now. Wait for a second for it to come in, roll forward just slowly to help it go a little faster. There we go. Now let's turn the wheel all the way to lock. And I can feel it just bogged. Before I was idling in a circle, now it just stopped because it's binding up. You can hear that rear wheel slipping. So the center diff is locked. So, the traction control off mod makes a huge difference in ability to lose traction, which is exceptionally useful in snow and off-road environments. And it actually works. It's not just another way to lock the center diff. So it works great, and you can turn it off on the fly, which is fantastic. And you don't have to wait for the stupid diff to lock. There we go. So this is a great mod. I'll be going over in great detail later how to do it. For now, I hope you found that video informative and useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and have a great day.